Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Fresh N Rebel Clam headphones with your MacBook. So to do this, you have to find this power button, click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking. Just like that. Right now, release that button and put it close to your MacBook. In the next step, we have to open the system settings. Go to the Bluetooth. We have to turn it on by tapping on this switcher and select Clam headphones from the list. Click on the connect button. Right now we are successfully connected. At the end, I will recommend you to go to the sound settings and take a look for the output and also the input device. Just be sure that they are selected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.